Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create poll on Facebook story. So let's get started. When you open your Facebook app, tap on create story on your feed. Next step, you should select some photo from your gallery or take a photo. Alright, I select from gallery. Next step, in very top you will see stickers. Tap on stickers and here you will see poll. Tap on poll. And here you should ask some question, for example, testing, and also you can change answer yes or no. You just tap on yes, then write something, I don't know, just test and no test. Alright, you also just tap on questions and change questions. Alright, when you finish, tap on done at the top right corner and then tap on share to story. If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.